welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for glass blowing studio business. Manually handling all the bookings and sharing updates can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for glass blowing studio. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, welcome to Firefoam Glass Studio. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one, which says book a session. And it responds me with, "Let's get your session booked. Please reply with preferred date." So here I'm going to send a demo response such as, here I've sent my response. And it responds me with, "Let's get your session booked. Please reply with number of participants." And I'm going to say 5. And it responds me with, "We have received your details as this given date and given number of participants. We will confirm availability and pricing shortly." Next, I'm going to select second option that says custom glass piece. And it responds me with, "Want a custom piece made? Please share a reference photo." So here I'm going to send a reference photo. So here I'm going to send this custom piece. And the chatbot responds us with, "We have received the image. We will respond with the quote and timeline within 24 hours. Lastly, I'm going to select this option that says event calendar. And it responds me with, "Event calendar and reminders. Check out our upcoming glass art demos and workshops. Weekend workshops Saturday and Sunday 3 to 6 p.m. Kids Day every first Sunday of the month. Holiday ornament session. Book now for December." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for Glass Blowing Studio. To create this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. And when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for Glass Blowing Studio. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. So here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message. It will look like this to the user. Hi, welcome to Fire Foam Glass Studio. Here I have added these little star signs in the beginning and at the end of the text because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. How can I help you today? So here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options like book a session. Next, I'm going to add custom glass piece, and lastly, I'm going to add an option of event calendars and reminders. Once we are done with our first message, we will curate a response for each of the quick reply option. Let's begin with book a session, and for that I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click ask question to get a question box. Here I've added let's get your session booked, please reply with preferred date. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. And to select contact custom field, we need to create it first, and for that save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, go to the settings and then select third option that says contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you have created your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. As preferred date, I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Next, I'm going to create another question box. To get another question, here I've added this message. Let's get your session booked, please reply with number of participants. And here in the contact custom fields, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Next, I'm going to generate confirmation message with the help of this text button. Our message will look like this. We have received your details as $time and $add. Time was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual preferred date of the user. Similarly, add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual number of participants sent by the user. We will confirm the availability and pricing shortly. Once we are done with our first response, we can generate a second response. And for this, I'm going to use Ask Media, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added want a custom piece made. Please share a reference photo. And here, as media type, I'm going to select image, and as number of attempts, I'm going to provide 3, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and then I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button. So here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message which will look like this to the user. Lastly, we are going to create a response for event calendar and reminders. Here I'm going to add text button, and here I'm going to add this message which will look like this to the user. Event calendar and reminders, check out our upcoming glass art demos and workshops. Weekend workshop Saturday, Sunday 3 to 6 p.m. Kids Day every first Sunday of the month. Holiday ornament session, book now for December. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Glass Blowing Studio with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. Now if you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.